Take frequent breaks from this dull exercise. And we must reiterate that it is dull. There is nothing exciting in looking at a set of coloured counters. The internet is full of more wondrous and interesting things. This is not one. You are here at this workshop because you wish to develop, strengthen and improve your power to visualize. And in order to do this, you have to do this exercise. You have to repeat it. It is a repetitive exercise. There is nothing interesting in it whatsoever. You do the same thing again. You look at the counters, you close your eyes, you see what's on the plate. You open up your eyes, you look at the counters again, close your eyes, see what you can see. Open your eyes again, take another look, then you close your eyes, see what you can see. Open your eyes again, take another look, then you close your eyes and see what you can see. That is all. The same thing done again and again and again. Repetition, repetition, repetition.